that baby, baby. Come with me, man, come and see. Yeah, my life is so crazy. I pour up the lean, then I sip it all.
Welcome. What is it you're looking for today? Have a good day. Hey, how's it going?
Over the past few weeks, CTOS centers throughout Chicago have increased security due to several attacks from activist hacker group DedSec. When asked about security changes, Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner was disgusted.
Chicago's safety is paramount, so we've hired private security for every CT. Center. These highly skilled peacekeepers have trained in the most dangerous regions of the world.
In fact, Ms. Gardner, these peacekeepers you refer to are military mercenaries, many with criminal records. Isn't that true?
Indeed, they've served time in the military, but we should hardly reject our brave soldiers for proudly serving their country, should we? Our CTOS network is well protected, and that gives Chicago citizens the comfort they deserve.
That was Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner discussing CTOS security.
This new security is no joke. I need access. Gotta find out who's targeting my family. I want that voice behind the phone call.
Hey, listen, come on out, we'll make a deal.
He's coming up on our side.
Making a break for it. Crap, I don't want to be next.
We need help fast! I'm on it!
You got no way out of this.
Bastard's got a gun!
Hurry, move in! Go! Don't let him escape! He's making a move. Could you run in a straight line? It's easier to shoot you in the back. Come on now. It's pretty clear how this is gonna go.
Somebody really wants you dead.
You think
Damn, we had him.
That's it. I'm hacked in.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You've got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of some of this.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I'm in a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
Northbound train arriving shortly.
That's him.
Hey, wait! You got no way out. Finish it. Bullshit! You can't go down like this.
Jesus, where the hell is he? Shit, Shit!
Hey, gun! I don't think that's yours, pal.
Any support nearby? All right, listen. We gotta give it up.
Been through so much, baby. You and we've seen lots of good days and bad days.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
Like baby, come with me, man, come and see. Yeah, my life is so crazy. I pour up the lean, then I sip it all up. Now I'm feeling so late.